D flip flop. D flip flop is having single input line, single input. And what it has done, it has created, let me draw the circuit first, then you get the idea. So you can see now I am doing the modifications in the RS flip-flop only, so you can get this thing that where is the design coming. So what RS flip-flop, sorry, what D flip-flop did, let me clear this out, and you will also get the intention of D flip-flop, what and why this has been done. Fine. So just take this D flip-flop, D flip-flop means D input, and merge it with the this. So now you can easily see one thing, and that one thing is what, that D input is something like this. This is just the SR input only. So since SR input is only because D is the complemented one, sorry, R is the D complement one, and S is the normal D input. If you compare with the SR flip-flop, and this has been done, the D flip-flop has been designed because there was no issue with the RS flip-flop. The only problem with the RS flip-flop is that on 1 1 it was providing the indeterminate state when both input was 1. So in this particular new design of D flip-flop, we don't have a 1 1 state, because when the one is 1, other will be 0. So let's make the table for D flip-flop. So the table for D flip-flop will be something like this. This is 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. Fine. This is simple. Now let's see the output state. So when previous state is 0 and D is 0. Now what we do the same. We try to use the table of the RS flip-flop and see how this input is going. So when will go for S to and R both. So when I am supplying 0 over here, this 0 will get complemented and R will be getting a 1 input and S will be getting a 0 input. So in this case, what should be the value of Q? There will be 1 on S input, on R input there will be 0. So simply based on the set reset flip-flop, this output will be 1. And on the case of 1 0, it will become a 0. And on 1 1 what happened? On 1 1 what happened? The D will be getting a 0 value and S will be getting a 1 value. So it will again 1. So you can see the difference between the SR flip-flop and D flip-flop is that there is no memory state also. So this is the problem with D flip-flop. It will like a flip-flop which always changes its value. So on, if you want to keep the value stored, so sorry, if you want to keep the value, so the definition for the flip-flop is simple. This is the, why do we make it? It is simply D only. If you make a K-map and then resolve it, so it will again coming out to be D only, because you can easily see that when D is 1, this is 1, when D is 0, it is 0. So Q is equals to D only. That means in D flip-flop, whatever the value you will supply, it will directly stored in the flip-flop. That is why it is known as the direct flip-flop. Now you get the name of D flip-flop.